welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this kid's artist easel, and I'm so excited to unbox it because you can paint on it, and I love to be an artist, so let's get unboxing. What we have is, we have some black easels, and we have some stuff we would use for the easel. What else do we have? We have some cups where you can put your paints, colorful cups. What else do we have? We have some nails and some nuts. And here we have the easel itself. And we have a dowel and the easel. So we have a whiteboard and like a chalkboard. And let's set this up, open it up, and voila! Here's where we're gonna put our cups. This key, you can tighten your screws so it can be unadjustable and it can stay in the same place. As you can see, and you can do the next one. You can adjust this easel at any level. If you unscrew this, and then it will be movable. Then when you screw it back on, it will be just in the same place. You have to use these long screws because it has to go inside out. So you're going to take your red board, put it through, and then you have to put it through here. When you put your red board up, you can press your screws in. To secure them, put the blue things on. And tighten them. And let's do the next one. Also here, we can put the red board even lower so it can be out of your reach. And over here too. These red covers are protection for your floor so it doesn't scratch your floor. So now let's add them on. At the top part of the easel, you're going to put a triangle. As you see, there's two holes right here, and it has to match with these two. Now you put it right here to line it up, and put the screw. For this one, you have to twist because it won't just push through. Let's get the other one in. The key, you can tighten it and it's much easier and faster. And just go like this and it makes it much faster instead of doing it hand. Here's our dowel. As you see the hole, make sure it's on the triangle that has the hole on the top because there's going to be a screw that comes at the top. Now just place it in place and do the next one so you can get the perfect measure. Here is our white screw. Now let's put it in. As you can see, our white screw is now in. Now let's get our second triangle and put it and line it up with this. So we should line this up first. Add it in. Let's take our key and add it in. It has a plastic protection on both sides and you have to take it off. The easiest way is to start from the edges, so you can just go like this. This might look dirty, but of course it's plastic wrap. So let's start taking this off. There's a magnetic ruler that is included, so you can just put it up here to measure, and it's in centimeters. And we have some animal magnets, so let's unbox these. Here we have some letters, numbers, and math symbols. So let's take them out. And of course, they're magnetic, so you can pop them out. So we have 14, we we have a plus sign, so you can do anything with these levers. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Number 2, here we have a clip. You can add paper for a clip like a clipboard, and you can write on it. And also, we have the whiteboard right here. And here I have one of my dry erase markers, which is not included, and you can write. And there it is. It comes with this hot pink eraser, and then you can erase. It comes with chalk. Let's write my channel name. You can erase with the same eraser. It comes with these clear cups and colorful lids. So you just take a cup, put it down, and to know its color, let's say you have yellow, you put it on top. Then we will use another cup, red, blue, and green. And this will help so you can get a small portion at a time of paint. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!